Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'll get to it. So this is the same place that I have previously sketched in the last 3 videos. So this is a different angle again, and if you think you know where it is, please let me know. Comment down. This is going to be so fun. If you think that you do know, I really want to see some comments. Yeah, I'm not going to give much away because if I do, then it'll be completely obvious. But if you're from Scotland, you should be able to know where this is from. I utilised geometric and gestural methods come along with good speed, creating the feedback loop. This is the learning methods that I have been utilising for the past 2-3 months, specifically the last 2 months, where I now can sketch portraits from photos or from people, and my skill level was not like that 6 months ago. So please check out the rest of the channel and watch this journey, how I will be able to capture city and street scenes. Thanks guys!